Was out at the Moat Aquaculture Park out there just east of I-75 on off of Fruitville. All the kids out there learning how to fish. We're going to have more on this report coming up tomorrow night and a fishing report. But a beautiful day out there catching tilapia. These kids first time fishing and first time catching a fish as well. So a lot of great stories out there. We'll have much more on that coming up, as I said, tomorrow night at the 11 o'clock program. Well, here is what's happening here. 74 degrees. Dew point is at 62. Winds are out of the north-northwest at 7. The pressure 2997. And that is starting to rise. 84 the high today. Our normal at 80, so a little bit above average. 90 the record. No rainfall to report. It's been dry, but for the year, we're well above average, over 14 inches. And temperatures currently across the state, all in the 70s, 73 in Pensacola, 76 in Orlando. It's 80 degrees, though, in Miami, 78 in Key West. The hourly forecast for Thursday, we'll have a little bit of fog around tomorrow. That fog should burn off, revealing partly cloudy skies throughout the day. Temperatures, low 80s near the beaches. We'll get into the mid-80s inland. And as far as the FUTURECAST goes, it looks like this. That frontal boundary coming down. This front is a cold front, and there's pretty chilly weather to the west and north of it. But it just fades away before it reaches us. It kind of falls apart. We'll get a little bit cooler late Thursday and into early Friday, but not much. Another front comes on, it looks like Saturday and into Sunday, cooling things down to start the work week. Well, RINA is still gaining some strength and some convection around the center of its system now. The top winds are at 50 miles an hour. It's moving to the north at 23, so it's racing that off there, and it's heading into some very cold waters. It will eventually be downgraded and picked up by a cold front and headed off toward Ireland in about 3 days from now. Well, the national satellite picture showing the showers associated with that front in Arkansas, Texas, and Louisiana. We're not going to get any of this rain. It's going to stay well to our north, and that front will not do a whole lot with our temperatures. Now, for boaters tomorrow, it looks to be pretty good. Seas running right around 2 feet or less with a light chop out there. The water temperature now at 75 degrees, and beaches will see a high near 80. UV index will be high tomorrow at an 11. Tides upcoming for Sarasota Bay. Low tide at 8:42. And another at 11:40, sunrise at 6:47. Mostly fair, some patchy fog, 66 for a low tonight. Tomorrow the fog burns off, revealing partly cloudy skies. It will be mild, low 80s, mid 80s while inland. The extended forecast looks to be pretty good for all the events taking place on Veterans Day on Saturday. 40% chance for showers and a few thunderstorms late Sunday. Cooler to start the work week. We'll be right back after this.